horses out. We have Love Minstrel. Pass to begin. Moving up party out. Sana si Kuda. Tanori inside Potless. Maimpok. Then comes Strong Boy. And Grand Sensation is the early trailer. We have Potless and Love Minstrel. Fighting it out for the lead. 3 lengths away in third as si Kuda. Down on the inside port, moving up now is Maimpok, then comes Strong Boy and Grand Sensation. We've got Faultless, Love Minstrel is on the outside. Asikuda now moving up to take third. Alongside port, Strong Boy, Maimpok, and Grand Sensation. And that's still entry number 1. That's Faultless, and on the outside is Love Minstrel. Asikuda now coming closer in third. Is Strong Boy in fourth. Maimpok and Grand Sensation. And that's still Faultless by about 2.5 lengths. Love Minstrel still in second. And in third, Asikuda, Maimpok. It's still Faultless by about 2.5 lengths over Love Minstrel in second. Asikuda now moving up on the outside as they come down at the last 150. And that's still Faultless. Asikuda is on the outside. Maimpok. But that's still Faultless. Asikuda moving up. Grand Sensation on the outside. Faultless, Grand Sensation. Asikuda. Faultless, Grand Sensation is on the outside. And finally, it's a close finish. Grand Sensation, Faultless. Then comes Asikuda, Love Minstrel.
Grand Sensation, 3-1-5.